Also, the pikliz with the Bannann Peze. Oh, this is so good. What's griot without Bannann Peze, aka green plantain? I'm going to show you how to prepare it. So we're going to start by cutting this up, slicing it down like that. So it just has to be green because it won't work. It'll be too soft if you use a ripe plantain. So we're just going to take the skin off. I'm using gloves because it's just much easier to do that. Take that off nicely. There. Any little pieces that are like left, you can just grab that and take them off like that. Make sure it's nicely done. You don't want the little pieces to come off. And then what I do is I try to cut this in about 8 pieces. So I cut it in half, and then I cut it again, 2, and then half again, and then half again. So it'll give me like 8 with one plantain. I know some people say plantain. I say plantain, but people will ride or die for the way that they say it. To me, it doesn't really matter, but I do say plantain. That's how I say it. So maybe in the comments, you can let me know how you say it in your country. And then we cut it in half, then half again, and then half again. Super simple. I've been making fried plantain for a long time. Not like this small and in this way, but I used to fry green plantain. I like ripe plantain as well, but green plantain is really good. I used to make them in bigger pieces though. I used to like cut it in half pretty much. And then once it was ready, I'd smush it and it'd be like half of the plantain instead of like these little pieces. Okay, so the oil has been heating up and we're going to add these green plantain to the oil. The meaning of Bannann Peze, because I am French Canadian. Bannann, it's banana, and Peze means pressed. We're going to be pressing these flat. It's a great way to eat the pikliz that I also have a video for. A little bit of a heat with a little bit of a sweetness and some salty because you put a little bit of salt on it. So it's a great little garnishment on the side. So I'm going to let that cook on one side, and then once it's ready and nicely browned on one side, I'm going to flip them all over. Just grab a fork, flip them over like this. Each individual one has to be flipped over. If you've never had fried plantain before, like the green one, you should really try it. It's good. I know like quite a few people who have never actually eaten it this way, and like I said, I've been doing it for years, and I actually really enjoy it. Obviously, the ripe one is very sweet. This one's not sweet. Um, yeah, but I actually really love it. So try it out. Let me know. Okay, so I've taken them all out of the oil, and I'm going to start pezzing them. Okay, so I'm going to show you the easiest way for me. You put one here. You grab like a cutting board or something really hard and flat, and then you pezz down. And see how it goes really flat? Like, look. See? And that's how you do it. I'll show you a couple of other ones. You don't have to take the oil out. Just grab it, pezz, and then that's it. Kind of try and make sure that it's not there. You can do 2 at a time if you want. Grab 2, that, pezz. See? Whoop. And then I put them like in a plate here to be ready so that when because you're going to refry them. Now they're all on my plate and I'm going to add them to the oil. Just like that. I'll probably do 4 at a time. Now you don't have to fry them too long because they're very small and thin, right? So I'd say maybe like 3 minutes on each side, maybe. 3, maybe 5 minutes, something like that. I'm going to transfer that into this bowl, all of these at once. I try to take a little bit of the oil off, obviously, but you don't have to, like, it's not like take a paper towel and take all the oil off, because we want a little bit of the oil because we're going to be adding some salt and we want it to stick. See, this is what it looks like. Grab some salt and then we kind of like shake it around so it grabs all that salt like that. It's the final shake. Kind of shake it around. And there you have it. Bannann Peze. Try it, let me know.